Imagine this. You wake up one day and decide, I want to go on vacation. No planning, no destination in mind, no budget. You just pack your bags, leave your house, and start driving. Sounds exciting, right? Well, fast forward 10 hours, you're tired, hungry, lost in the middle of nowhere. And worst of all, you realize you forgot your phone charger. Now tell me, was that a vacation or just a disaster? This is exactly how people start a business without a clear goal, vision, or mission. They jump in, get excited, start working hard, but they have no direction. And guess what? Most of them quit before they even make their first dollar. If you're serious about building a successful business that will last beyond 2025, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end because today we're going to break down exactly how to set a goal, define your vision, and craft a mission that will keep you focused and motivated. And by the way, if this is your first time here, don't forget to check out the part 1 video of this series, where I talked about the crucial foundation of building a successful business. Now, grab your notebook because I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step exercise to write your own goal, vision, and mission. So by the time this video is over, you'll have a clear roadmap to success. Let's dive in. Step 1, setting your goal. Take note, my friend. This is your business roadmap. Before you start any business, you need a clear destination. Imagine trying to drive to a new city without a GPS. You'll end up lost, frustrated, and wasting time. Again, that's exactly what happens when you start a business without a goal. Now, I want you to pause this video and write down these questions. Number 1, what do I want to achieve in the next 3 months? This is your short-term goal. It could be as simple as setting up your website, making your first 500, or growing your audience to 1,000 followers. Number 2, what do I want to achieve in the next 6 months? This is your midterm goal. Maybe you want to start making consistent income, automate some parts of your business, or expand your product offerings. And number 3, what do I want to become in the next 1 to 5 years? This is your long-term goal. Do you see yourself as a full-time entrepreneur, a 6-figure business owner, someone who has helped thousands of people? Take your time to write your answers. Be honest and dream big. Once you've written down your goals, ask yourself, if I achieve this, how will it change my life and my family's life? Step 2, let's define your vision. This is important because this is your business future. Think of your vision as your dream destination. If your goal is the roadmap, then your vision is where you want your business to be in the future. Without a clear vision, you might end up chasing trends, getting distracted, or even quitting too soon. Again, pause this video and write down your answers to these questions. Number 1, where do I see my business in the next 3 to 5 years? Do you want to be a top expert in your industry? Own a 6 or 7-figure online business? Have a global brand? Write it down. Number 2, what kind of impact do I want to make? Think of, how do you want to help people? Maybe you want to teach others how to make money online, create digital products, or inspire financial freedom as a YouTuber. And number 3, how will my business change my life and others? Will your business give you time freedom, allow you to quit your 9 to 5, help others escape financial struggles? Remember, your vision is not just about money, it's about the bigger purpose behind your business. This is what will keep you going when things get tough. To pause this video, take a few minutes to reflect and write down your answers. Now let's go to the last step. The step 3, crafting your mission. This is your business strategy. Why is a mission important? If your vision is where you're going, then your mission is how you'll get there. Your mission statement is what defines what your business does, who it serves, and how it provides value. Without a mission, your business will lack direction. You will struggle to attract the right customers. Now pause this video and answer these questions. Number 1, how will I achieve my vision? What strategies will you use? Will you sell digital products? Teach online courses? Provide coaching? Build a community? Number 2, who is my business helping? Who is your target audience? Beginners looking to make money online? Small business owners needing marketing help? Number 3, what makes my business different from others? What unique value do you bring? Do you simplify online business? Offer affordable resources? Provide step-by-step guidance? Your mission statement should be short and powerful. Example, My mission is to help aspiring entrepreneurs start profitable online businesses with affordable done for you digital products so they can achieve financial freedom and time flexibility. Pause the video, write down your answers, and craft your mission statement. This will be the foundation of your business. Now, you have your goal, vision, and mission written down. Congratulations! This is your business blueprint for success in 2025 and beyond. If you're thinking about closing this video, that's okay, but I have a bonus for those who stick around until the end. This tells me that you're serious about building a real business, not just chasing instant gratification. So, here's my gift to help you gain even more clarity on your goal, your vision and mission. Go to Google and type chatgpt.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And don't worry, it's free. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend you to create one. It takes just a minute to finish. Then type this prompt into ChatGPT. I need you to help me clarify my vision in life. I'm still struggling to define my real goal, my vision, and mission for 2025 and beyond. I want you to guide me. But before you do that, ask me a few questions to help me reflect and get clarity. Help me refine my vision and create a powerful roadmap. ChatGPT will help you dive deeper into your business vision and give you more clarity on what you truly want to achieve. Success starts with clarity, so take this step now. If you find this video helpful, comment below with your biggest takeaway. I'd love to hear about your journey. In the next video, I'll show you how to start your business and create your product from scratch. So subscribe if you haven't yet to get notified. Have a nice